In this video, we'll be managing your online store sales channel and the theme that you select for your online store. Go to the left-hand side, select online store and sales channels. This will take you to your themes dashboard. Here, you can see your store by clicking the View and Store button in the top right-hand corner. You have a preview of what your website looks like, both on desktop and on mobile. Here, we have a store that's in development, and so we have a password protection enabled on the front end of our store. We can see here that the theme that is enabled is called Dawn, which is one of the Shopify free themes, and it's listed as our current theme. We can see when it was last saved. We can see that there is a new version available. If we wanted to update to this version, we would select Add to Theme Library. We'll do that in another video. Here we can select the three dots and we can preview it, rename, duplicate. We can download the theme file. We can edit the code itself, or we can edit the default theme content. This is more if you have a developer or if you have development skills and want to make customizations to the free theme. This is where you would access that code to do so. To enter into the theme editor, you'd select Customize. That'll be covered in another video. Down below, we have the theme library where you can go into the Shopify store and add in different themes, which you can see down here at the bottom of the page with different popular themes, as well as the theme store where you can browse professionally designed themes that you can pay for. You would add these themes selecting the button Add within the theme card itself, and then that would add it to your theme library. From there, you can also add the theme by visiting the theme store, uploading a zip file itself, or connecting from GitHub, where GitHub is a resource for developers to post different theme files and other resources for a variety of online applications. This theme dashboard is your landing page for when you want to enter into your online store sales channel. To enter in and customize your theme itself, you would have to select Customize, which will take you in to edit the appearance and functionality of your website. If you found this video helpful, click subscribe down below and follow us for more on setting up and running a business online. Keep working at your craft and building your business from the ground up.